Hello everyone. So today we are going to start part 2. Part 2 of chapter 1, the town mouse and the country mouse of class 7. Let's start. The town mouse received the letter and read it. From whom the town mouse received the letter? From the country mouse. From country mouse, the town mouse received letter. Since he was in a hurry, who was in a hurry here? Who was in a hurry? The town mouse was in hurry. The town mouse was in a hurry. He sent a telegram to the country mouse. This is the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. So, the town mouse was in a hurry. That's why he sent a telegram to his cousin, country mouse. This is the telegram here. Next. A few days later, the country mouse arrived the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. So, after few days, few means some, less, some. Some. Few means. The country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why he was surprised? Because in the country there were no noise and the lights. That's why the town mouse was surprised by seeing lights and the noise. So the country mouse asked the town mouse, why are the lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. Who asked here? He means the country mouse. The country mouse. Next. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here the lights are even in the middle of the day. So, what his cousin answered? This is town, cousin. Here the lights are even in the middle of the day. Next. And what is the dreadful noise that never stops? Here the word dreadful. What is the meaning of dreadful here? Let's see. The meaning of dreadful is very bad or unpleasant. Here the meaning of dreadful is very bad or unpleasant. Very bad or unpleasant is the dreadful meaning. Next. Ask the country mouse. That is traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. So, what is the dreadful noise here? Noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All the noise had made my headache. Here the word headache means dull pain. Dull pain. He said, could I have some water to drink? Who said this? The country mouse. The country mouse said, could I have some water to drink? This word also country mouse said. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? So, here the country mouse asked some water to drink. But in the town mouse is having much food like ice cold lemonade, orange juice, etc. etc. Which one do you want? The town mouse is asking. Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and little bit food. Some water and little bit food. I have. Who said this? The country mouse. The country mouse. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. So the town mouse said, as you can see here in the picture, that this is town and this is town mouse, this is country mouse. Here town mouse is having plenty of food, like, let's see here. You can eat as much as you like. Sure enough, the house of town mouse at the back of kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. So, at the back of kitchen cupboard, where is the town mouse house? At the back of kitchen cupboard. At back of kitchen cupboard. Next. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So here we can see here, see, jam, bread and different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate. Slabs means small pieces, small pieces, and piece of lovely cheese. Next, eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was sound like thunder, and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run. So when the both country mouse and town mouse were eating food, that time there was a sound like thunder, and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole at the back of cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating was very fast. But what is it? He asked. Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait. So, after coming, there was a sound now. After the sound like a thunder, just then the town mouse pushed the country mouse into a hole in the kitchen cupboard. The country mouse felt that his heart beating was very fast. So, why his heartbeat was very fast? Because he ran continuously very fast. So his heartbeat was very fast. Whose heartbeat? The country mouse heartbeat. But what is it? He asked. Who asked this? Country mouse. Country mouse. Whispered the town mouse. Wait. Next. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. The word crept means came out of the hole. When everything was silent, that means after the sound like thunder was silent again, there was quite cheerful again. Cheerful means without noise. Without noise. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. So, what is the sound like thunder? Here they said that it is a sound like thunder. But what is the thunder sound? Someone was opening the cupboard door. See here, opening the cupboard door. Somebody was opening the cupboard door. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. First, what is the sound? Thunder-like sound. thunderlike sound came, and they both went inside the hole in the kitchen cupboard. So after coming out, the town mouse said that there was only somebody opening the cupboard door. But we are safe now. But they were not safe for very long. After the sound of thunder, they came out, but they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety. Twice more means one more time. If anyone opens the cupboard door once again, they have to run for safety. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. Who said here? Country mouse. Country mouse. We may not get much food there. Where we may not get much food in the countryside. But at least we can eat in peace. So the next day, country mouse went back to his house in the country. At last, what happened? The country mouse and the town mouse went back to their houses. The town mouse stayed on his cupboard in the town. As far as I know, they did not visit each other once again. So I have said now. In the last, they have never visited again. The town mouse and the country mouse have never visited again. So this is the part 2. The lesson has been completed. In the next video, we'll be discussing about glossary and everything. Thank you.